We are live. Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto? Hit that like, hit that subscribe button, as we need to get 1,000 subscribers in there. Let's get it. Quick review on TradingView. If you don't have TradingView, you need to get it tonight. Okay? It's a very important thing, and I mean that. If you don't have TradingView, you can get it on your smartphone or you can get it on your computer. Whatever you want to do, just do one of them, please. See if I can fix this. Okay. I apologize. I didn't expect to be playing with this. I don't know how that happened. Anyway, we're going to mess. How did you see? Okay, that's my end. Knucklehead. Wall Street Pete, right? Knucklehead moment. Anyways, here we go. I want to go into an ascending triangle. The ascending triangle is a variation of the symmetrical triangle. Ascending triangles are generally considered bullish and are most reliable when found in an uptrend. See how the uptrend of the heartbeat is moving? See how that works? That is a very bullish pattern. The triangle appears flat while the bottom part of the triangle has an upward slant. And here is a typical ascending triangle pattern. All right, thanks. My animals are crazy tonight. 1. In ascending triangles, the stock becomes overbought and prices are turned back. 2. Buying then re-enters the market and prices soon reach their old highs, where they are once again turned back, which is called resistance. That's me adding into it. Buying then resurfaces, although at a higher level than before, which is what you've been seeing here, right? Higher level than before. And then altering back down in this triangle, but then finally getting a bounce, inverted up, till finally you break through is what it's showing. Prices eventually break through. Funny, I didn't even read this yet. Like I said, I do a lot of things live. I really don't play around too much. I just popped up a ascending triangle. I went through. A lot of these people prepare hours and hours for these videos. Wall Street Pete comes on live and just bangs it out really quick and looks silly sometimes. But you know what? I don't need 6 hours. Sometimes I do. I'm not going to try and be cocky here and sound like I'm the best thing in the world. No, sometimes I need a little bit of help. Well, we all do. We all need help. The ones that are bright admit it. So what are we talking about? We're talking about ascending triangles, right? How they're bullish. Well, look at Bitcoin. We are. If you don't see it, then let me help you. So give me a second. Let's get this out of the way. Maybe that'll help. You see it now? This is what I'm talking about. This is the triangle. This is the bullish pattern. That's it right there. Now that we got that out of the way. Somewhere about there, we'll play with it again later, but that's our support, that's our resistance, here's our price that we've been hitting. We're coming right to it again. As you noticed, Bitcoin is bunching to get ready to come through for a breakthrough or to bounce around in here until we finally come through to April and we have no choice. But I'm sure we're going higher than that before April. We'll see. On to Anchor. Why did I go here before there? Because I want you to see the pattern. I want you to see what's happening, how it's rising and how it bounced out. See how it hit the tip here and then we fell? Well, that's where Anchor is. So pay attention. Right? Now do you see it? Exactly where I said there is where Anchor is, where Bitcoin was on that picture. Let's look again real fast. This was the tip of where Anchor went, and it got that retracement. Well, that's what's happening here. So that's why everyone's bugging out. I don't think you realize, I don't think you're ready, but possible low is there, right here. Anchor can go to 14.8. It can. I'm not trying to panic anyone saying it is. But there's a possibility that we're going to go into here down to the low of 14.8, 14.5. We're going to see 14 cents is my point. There's a good possibility. I didn't notice. I could be wrong, but in a bull market on a 50% retracement, it's very healthy for that to happen. So my point being is this is a possible. I'm not saying it's going there, as I repeat. We're expected to go in a cup and handle formation, which is what we're forming. So I want you to understand that. So this, you can erase if you'd like, because I don't want that negativity, right? It's a positive. It's a possibility. That's what technical analysis is. You have to draw it in there. But this is what I'm expecting. So say we do touch the 15-cent mark, right? I expect something like that. Now it's going to do it sooner, I believe, but right about here. So what is that, April 7th? So let's have fun. Anchor. April 7th. I've done this and been right on the money before. You can look at my past videos. Just not with Anchor yet. April 7th. Big day. So we're going to go, let's go the 5th through the 7th. The reason why I say that is because I'm always off a day or two. I have no clue why. That's just been me. So with Anchor, expect Anchor to see something similar to that. 8.5 cents was where we started this bull run. That's why it's a mess. That's where that represents there. So 8.5 cents, yeah, technically 8.5 cents. Right there is your low where we started, and you could have been in on it all the way to 21 cents. I put 19. That's about where we're struggling here to hit, struggling to break through. As you see, we have our own real struggle price, which is this price here where we're at now. If you move in on the candle, this is the 4-hourly, of course, so we can go lower. We can get a little more sooner, but see what happens here. What this goes on is you have to click on the thing and change its size, because then you can't see the candle no more. Like that, it's a mess, and who wants to deal with that? So get rid of that. Start trying to look at the candles. Look what a mess this is. So is what I do is when I start seeing a mess like that, I just get rid of it because it aggravates me, and I don't want to get myself aggravated. I don't need that in my life. Right? So if you look what's happening, it's a bullish flag. That's what I was trying to explain to you. So let's do this. Hate caps. Bullish flag formation. We're not supposed to be doing this tonight, but tomorrow night we'll do a new one. We're going to do 2 tonight. Bullish flag formations are found in stocks with strong uptrends. They are called bull flags because the pattern resembles a flag on a pole. The pole is the result of a vertical rise in a stock, and the flag results from a period of consolidation. Now, let's go back. What do we see? Look at that. Look at that. Right? It's a little similar there. It's very similar. If you look at this one in the middle, this is very, very similar. Let's get back to it. If you see this uptrend is still alive, when it breaks through this trend line, so this is what we need to do at Anchor, and you need to look. There we go. It looks much better. You see the body of it? If you come all the way back to the tip here, it's March 6th. That's when you really did something nice. If you look, there's really not a lot of growth, but small, steady growth because it was just starting. But now if you look at the meat of this bad boy, March 6th, we've really got something that happened here, right? Well, it's forming a cup and handle. I'm trying to explain to you. Look, look, look. So this is it. You see this? Now, what do you see here? Honestly, pay attention to this because this is what I try to teach. And I think this is what people love about my teaching because this is true. If you see this little J forming right here, look. See that? It's coming right now. Or it could have been this one in the beginning. I could have got it sooner. But I see the pattern of this volatility waves coming. That's exactly what we're seeing. There's volatility and there's waves coming. And if you see, when you get these high up and down waves, it's good. It's very, very good. We're in the hourly now, in the hourly candles. And if you see the bounces on these waves, the M, see the M? Let me show you the M. It was an M right here. Now that M didn't happen. The reason why I bring it up is because it didn't happen. That's always a bullish sign. When you see an M, it's bad. And when it doesn't do what the bad's supposed to do, when you crunch it up and you see it, it's good news. Then you look and you come through. Here comes another maybe M. Nope. Guess what? We formed a W. Here's your W. So this stuff is real. Don't believe me? Keep watching, keep following, keep learning for yourself. The stuff is real. There was a big move here that started this process. Anchor is what it is. It's the credit card processing. It helps transaction fees go through so much faster. It's only 16 cents. I don't have enough money in it. You see what money I had in today on Coinbase. I should go buy some more on Coinbase. I have some, but not enough. I have so much money in other stuff, and I really don't know what to do. You can't have enough money. Is this live or pre-recorded, dude? No, dude. I do every single video live. I do not waste my time and record and fix an error and try to clean up any of my mistakes. I do everything live. Wall Street Pete. We do it live. When I make a mistake, I look silly as hell. And you know what? I don't mind because I'm human and I make mistakes, but I'm going to show you that there's some good things about this. There's a lot of good things about this. We go live. And as I did with this anchor, I wanted you to understand that I expect a big day for this. So you need to all calm your horses down. I'm not saying that we can't get the cup in hand sooner with news and some buy-in power. It would help. But long story short of it all, I want you to understand there's patience in this. You have to wait. Now let's get to Enjin. April 6th. It's a little coincidence that April 6th, I'm expecting this big jump. Now, what happened here? I'm a little concerned here. This is usually, to me, when you're on the uptrend. Now, look at this. We were falling. I want to show you something. This is pretty cool. We were falling, correct? Right here on this line where I'm going with my cursor, we're falling on Enjin. Is that correct? We can all agree with that. All right, so Enjin was falling. Now we formed this W, right? This is crazy. It's a big one. You're going to be like, wow. Okay? That's the W. This is the stuff I'm talking about. They come in all sizes. Let's get rid of it, though. I really don't want to go over the W. I just want to explain to you that it was there. Now, what I'm trying to explain to you to see is that we keep testing. We came from a far place down here. I would not be surprised if we tested through here again at the 242 mark, 241. It's really annoying. What's going to happen is when we get that news for the net jump for the launch that's coming for the gaming system, it's basically like Discord. If anybody heard of Discord, there's going to be from South Korea, I thought it was, yeah. It's one of the largest world industries of the gaming world. They adopted 3 million users before they even launched this on Enjin, and it comes out the 6th. I can't finesse enough. So Anchor is doing a bullish flag. We basically spoke about that. Bitcoin is doing an ascending triangle. We spoke about that. We have other ones we're going to learn about, other ones we're going to go through. We have a lot of things we're going to go through. I want to teach my followers things that are new. I want you to understand what resistance does. Resistance is what stops you from going through. Every time this candle hits, it was trying to go up. Support, every time my candles tried to go down, they couldn't go down. So this right here is a major support area. Support area. Sometimes your support long ago can turn back into a resistance and vice versa. As you see, we were trying to break through here, and it was our resistance at one point, went down here. So there's a lot in detail. I can give you a headache, and I really don't want to do that tonight. My point being is I'm trying to make things as simple as possible, do things fun, and have a good time with it. So I want you to understand Anchor is here to stay. Anchor is a money maker. I'm not kidding. I do love Anchor. It's definitely in the top area. We have to pay attention. While we're here, what is going on with Atari? So look at Atari. When I thought we were forming a W, we got a rejection. Well, guess what we just happened with Atari? Atari just move it over. The W was here. Atari did some movement. Where did it go up to? 31 cents. Atari's been chilling at 27 cents. If you look through the line here across this graph, 27 cents seemed to be one of those things. And as you look up here in this area, it was a lot higher at one point. And it even showed you it had love up here. So Atari token, something new to look out to. That's another nice token we went over. I think it's going to be one of the best gaming systems along with Enjin. I'm no longer going to keep continuing rambling on with this, though. I did want you to understand that there's patterns and bullish patterns, and I need you to go understand. We need you to get TradingView. If you don't have TradingView, get it right now. You can get TradingView on your smartphone. You can get TradingView on your PC. You need to do it. You'll start playing around with it. You'll start seeing resistance prices. You'll start seeing support prices, and you'll start seeing the best. I'm the best ad ever, by the way. Yeah, we'll fight over it. It's going to happen, but I am the best ad ever. It happens. Wall Street Pete, sick though. Have a seat with Wall Street Pete. Have a good night. Love you all, my followers. Please hit that like button as the algorithm needs to know. Wall Street Pete is here, and we're going to make some money. Yo, peace in and peace out.